Hello, the students of BSc second year. This is your semester third. In this year, the syllabus have been changed. Now we'll see the paper number fourth. That is named as physiology. We will start the chapter digestion, kinds of digestion, intracellular and extracellular digestion. Now we'll see the digestion. The food material taken into the alimentary canal undergo a complicated process which converts the complex and insoluble food materials into simple and soluble food materials. This process is called digestion. The digestion is defined a process that involves physical and chemical breakdown of insoluble complex food material into soluble simple food materials. During digestion, carbohydrate is converted into glucose, proteins are converted into amino acids, lipids are converted into fatty acids and glycerol. The digestion, namely physical or mechanical and chemical. Now we'll see the intracellular digestion. The digestion occurring inside the cell is called intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion is correlated with sluggish habits or macrophagous feedings. For example, protozoans, sponges, coelentrates, turbellarians, etc. The food material that enter the body by pinocytosis or phagocytosis. Pinosomes or phagosomes enclosing food material are formed. They fuse with lysosomes and the food material digested. In a freshwater mussel, a certain amount of food is taken into the cells of the hepatopancreas and are digested cells. Now we'll see the extracellular digestion. Digestion taking place outside the cell is called extracellular digestion. The digestion taking place inside the stomach is an extracellular digestion. It is also called as a intercellular digestion, as it occurs in between the cells in the lumen of the stomach. Extracellular digestion is the advanced type of digestion. The evolutionary trends has been towards the replacement of intracellular digestion by extracellular digestion. The animals that possessing an alimentary canal exhibit the extracellular digestion. So we can see the figure of the extracellular digestion and the previous figure, that is the intracellular digestion. Thank you.